The benefits of workshops and seminars are for both the parties. It helps the people who conduct it and those who attend. Workshops are creative ways to do marketing. Letting people know more about a business can be a learning experience for the target audience. At the same time, it's the perfect way for the direct sellers to market the products and business prospects. 1. Provide more information about direct selling business. The people present at the workshops are your team members and the target audience. It is the best space to get all the interested people under the same roof. Most importantly, a businessperson can introduce the direct selling business in detail to the people. It could talk about how to win in business, how exactly it works, similarities and differences with the traditional model, etc. These details will let the people learn more about the business. 2. Clarify doubts of the customers. Workshops are not like conventional seminars. It's much more interesting, interactive and fun. It gives the target audience a chance to clarify their doubts. It could be regarding the allegations, misunderstanding, marketing, rejections, hard work, etc. The network team should be prepared and willing to answer these questions. Clearing these doubts can change the reputation of the business. 3. Give basic skill training. The majority of people who attend these events will be seriously interested in business and want to know more about it. Also, there will be people who newly joined the business and needs a huge deal of support from the uplines. Workshops are the perfect space to provide training for business skills and for learning business strategies. 4. Network growth. Working together will create a team spirit and help you know the target audience and your team better. The network is the leading source of income from the direct selling business. Workshops focusing on the target audience and newly joined direct sellers are an excellent way to do network marketing. It will increase your chances of growth. For networking, workshops are the most effective and creative method to level up. 5. Make the business stand out from the rest. As I mentioned before, workshops are a creative way to do marketing, whether online or direct. It will make the business stand out from the rest of the direct selling business. Now that the competition in direct selling is increasing, standing out from the rest has become a must. It will help people notice the business more.